G'day everybody and welcome to Big Dreams. I'm Jamie and today we're going over Splash Mountain history and facts. If you're new to the channel, it would be awesome if you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button for new videos. So, let's get down to business. With poor attendances for America Sings, the attraction was shut down and Disneyland was left with automatronics not being used. The land of the Bear Country had little foot traffic and only one attraction at the time, Country Bear Jamboree. You can still visit classic remnants from Bear Country. Disney Imagineers leave reminders from attractions of the past whenever they are replaced. Look for the hosts of the Country Bear Jamboree, Buff, Melvin and Max, hidden in the Winnie the Pooh attraction. While driving through rush hour traffic in 1983, Tony Baxter had a brilliant idea of combining the want for a log flume ride and the need to reuse the automatronics into the idea for Splash Mountain. The ride is loosely based on Walt Disney's film Songs of the South, which was released in 1946. The film has been sent straight into the Disney vault without ever having plans of being released again. Much of the storyline was altered to fit the ride itself and to avoid any retelling of the original story. Splash Mountain is one of the only reminders left indicating the Songs of the South was ever made to begin with. Going far over budget, at $75 million, Splash Mountain was the most expensive project Walt Disney Imagineering have ever created. It was originally going to be called Zippity-Doo River Run. Even though the name was great during development, a Zippity-Doo River Run, a new Disney movie was about to be released. Splash. It's a classic movie about a mermaid with Tom Hanks. Former CEO Michael Eisner thought renaming the ride Splash Mountain would be a great promotion for the movie. The movie was promoted in a creative way and the same Splash Mountain stuck. After its popularity in Disneyland became apparent, versions of Splash Mountain were brought both to Magic Kingdom and Tokyo Disneyland. While all three versions have a few differences, they all share the adored tune Zippity-Doo-Dah and the plot line for Brer Rabbit escaping Brer Fox and Brer Bear's dangerous clutches. Splash Mountain at Tokyo Disneyland and Magic Kingdom officially opened within one day of each other. Tokyo's grand opening was on October the 1st, 1992, while Magic Kingdom's official open was the very next day. At the time of the opening, Splash Mountain had one of the highest log flume plunges in the world. The plunge from Chickadee Pin Hill into Brer's Patch is over 5 stories tall and over 50-foot plunge and can hit speeds as fast as 40 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour. The plunge can be a little scary for some. The plunge features a camera that has captured thousands of people experiencing scary moments and has become one of the most popular photo spots in the park. The internet is full of fans posing in funny ways and entertaining ways. Everything from a man shaving, a family playing Monopoly, marriage proposals, birthday wishes, a famous angry Splash Mountain lady, and have all found themselves all over social media. What was once scary now is one of the most anticipated parts of Splash Mountain. You will get wet on this ride. This attraction includes 950,000 gallons of water, 3 dips, and a 5-story waterfall. Where you're seated will determine how wet you're likely to get. Riders in the back may experience a sudden splash or spray. Those who opt for the front can expect to get soaked. Zippity-Doo-Dah is the official theme song to the ride. It took a choir of 75 cast members to record this piece for the final scene of the ride. Splash Mountain Barn is filled with quotes and sayings from Uncle Remus. The original Disney movie Songs of the South was filled with life lessons to be kind, be clever, and make decisions, and to face your fears. Well, there are a few facts in regards to Splash Mountain and a little bit of the history. I do hope you liked the video. If you did, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. If you are new to the channel, it'd be awesome if you hit that subscribe button and that notification button for new videos. Other than that, as always, I do hope you have a wonderful day.